That's funny.
Chicken schnitzel sub. Special instructions, okay, here we go. As many jalapenos as you can give me, please. That's somebody who's looking for trouble there.
Jalapenos, oh yes.
Fettuccine carbonara.
Ooh, very
Special
nice.
instructions, no bacon, no greens, no onion.
Is that still a carbonara?
It's for his 5-year-old daughter.
Chicken teriyaki Subway footlong. Extra mayo, please. Extra mayo, please. Extra mayo, please. Did I say extra mayo, please? Extra mayo, please. And don't skimp on the mayo.
This guy wants a Hawaiian pizza, special instructions, no pineapple.
Nah, but no pineapple.
Chicken 65 biryani rice. Could you please make it less spicier than the medium level? What a wuss.
I'll go and get some rice and boil it.
This is an order for Boss Hog Burger.
That sounds good.
Special instructions, no rocket sauce, no rocket sauce, no rocket sauce, no rocket sauce. I'd whack just a little bit of rocket sauce on that one.
A kebab combo. No lettuce, no tomato, no sauce. It's bloody no kebab as far as I'm concerned. Just chicken and onion, please. It's hardly a kebab, really.
Original Glaze 4-pack. Please write, I'm sorry on the box. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's a very
Yeah.
nice, a sentimental
Yeah,
fool.
exactly.
Oh, that's nice, I like it.
Not the courage to do it yourself?
This guy's ordered a leg ham Subway 6-inch and
Oh,
special
geez.
instructions, no ham. Maybe he just wants the salady bit and...
It doesn't want a leg, it just wants half a foot.
Yeah.